Imagine if a stranger on the internet could figure out where you live in just a few clicks. Creepy, right? That's exactly what can happen when your IP address is left unprotected. Your IP address is like a digital home address. It tells websites, apps, and even hackers where your device is located. And once they know, they can track you, target you, or even attack your system. But here's the good news. Protecting your IP address is easier than most people think. Hi, I'm Tracy Anifuna, and welcome to Cyber Safety Simplified, where we break down online safety into simple steps that anyone can follow. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your IP address so you can stay safe online, whether you are at home, at work, or using a public Wi-Fi. By the end of this video, you would learn 5 easy ways to hide or secure your IP address, plus few smart habits that keeps you safe long term. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an IP address? Think of it like this. Your IP address is your digital home address. Just like your house has a street address that tells the world where you live, your computer has an IP that tells the internet where you are. Without it, website wouldn't know where to send the information you request. For example, when you type google.com into your browser, your computer uses the IP address to say, "Hey Google, send those results over here to this device." It is like ordering a package from Amazon. The delivery driver needs your street address to bring it to the right house. Now that sounds harmless, right? But here's the problem. Just like you wouldn't want your home address plastered on a billboard, you don't want your IP address out in the open. Why? Because it can reveal your city, your internet service provider, and sometimes your neighborhood. Have you ever noticed that online ads seems to magically know where you are? That's because advertisers can see your IP and use it to target you. And if advertisers can do that, imagine what hackers could do. So why exactly is protecting your IP address so important? First, tracking. Without protection, advertisers, websites, and even strangers online can follow your activity. That's how you end up with creepy ads that feel too personal. Second, location exposure. Someone who knows your IP can often tell what city you are in, sometimes more. That opens the door to stalking or harassment. Third, cyber attacks. Hackers can use exposed IP to launch attacks on your network or device. They can try to flood your system with traffic, slow it down, or worse, break in. And here's a shocking fact. Studies show that cyber criminals launch attacks every 39 seconds. Think about that. By the time you finish this video, dozens of attempts will have been made. Let me ask you this. Would you ever hand your home address to a random stranger on the street? Of course not. Then why leave your IP address exposed to millions of strangers online? Now let's get into the real solution. 5 simple ways to keep your IP safe. Number 1, use a VPN. This is by far the most effective method. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Instead of showing your real IP address, it shows the VPN IP. That means websites, advertisers, or even hackers only see the VPN location, not yours. For example, if you are in Canada and you connect to a VPN server in Germany, the internet thinks you are in Germany. This not only protects your privacy, but it can also let you access content from other regions. Have you ever used a VPN before? Drop a quick yes or no in the comment section below. Number 2, enable your firewall. Most computers and routers already have a firewall built in. It's like a security guard that blocks unwanted traffic from reaching your system. Firewalls do not hide your IP, but they make it harder for hackers to exploit it. Make sure yours is turned on. On a Windows or a Mac, it's just a quick setting check. It only takes a few minutes and adds an extra layer of safety. Number 3, use a proxy server. A proxy works like a middleman. Instead of connecting directly to your website, you connect to the proxy and the proxy connects for you. The website sees the proxy IP, but not yours. Proxies aren't as secure as VPNs. They do not encrypt your data, but they are useful for casual browsing if you just want to max your location quickly. Number 4, be careful on public Wi-Fi. Here's where many people slip up. You are at a cafe, library, or airport, and you hop on the free Wi-Fi. Easy, right? But here's the catch. Public Wi-Fi is like shouting your IP address in a crowded room. Anyone listening can grab it. If you must use public Wi-Fi, always connect through a VPN. Otherwise, avoid logging into sensitive accounts like banking or email. And number 5, ask your ISP, which is Internet Service Provider, for a dynamic IP address. Most internet service providers can give you a dynamic IP address. That means your IP changes every time you connect to the internet. It is like changing your phone number often. It makes it harder for anyone to track you long term. This is especially helpful if you have had issues with harassment or repeated targeting online. Just call your ISP and ask if they can enable it for you. Tools are powerful, but habits matter just as much. Here are a few simple practices to protect your IP address from day to day. 1. Do not click on links on people you don't trust. Some are designed to grab your IP address. 2. Never share your IP address in online forums or gaming chats. Yes, people ask for it sometimes, but it's often a trick. 3. Review your device privacy settings regularly to limit exposure. Remember, cybersecurity is just about layers. The more layers you add, the harder it is for someone to reach you. So let's wrap this up. Your IP address is like your digital home address. If it's unprotected, anyone can track or target you. But with a VPN, a firewall, proxies, smart Wi-Fi habits, and a dynamic IP, you can take back control of your privacy. Now it's your turn. Which of these methods will you try first? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It lets me know that I'm creating content that matters to you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Cyber Safety Simplified, for more clear, non-technical tips to keep you safe online. Till next time, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.
Cyber Safety Simplified, bringing you insights, tips, and tricks to keep you safe online, at work and at home.